Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Meccha Chameleon and the game is not loading, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon not loading on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the Meccha Chameleon games folder. The default location should be in your C drive, program file A6, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then Meccha Chameleon. Right click on the Penguin Hotel exe here, click Properties, Compatibility, click Run this program as an administrator and also click Disable Full Screen Optimizations. After that, click apply. Okay, close this up. And now I have a fix that is for AMD and NVIDIA only. So right click on your desktop, open up AMD software, go into performance, tuning, set the tuning to default. Do not have any overclocks on the clock set on your graphics card. After that, you're going to click here and search for shader cache. And then you're going to click reset shader cache here. Once you do that, you're going to restart your computer. And now onto NVIDIA. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel. You're going to click on to help and then click debug mode. Turn debug mode on your graphic card. What this does, it resets any overclocks on your graphics card and sets it to the stable settings. After that, you're going to close this up and you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with that, now you should be able to play Meccha Chameleon and you'll see that your game will now load. You'll not face that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.